Good afternoon. George Cavaligos for HFT Bonds. Like caught with your pants down, asleep at the wheel, not long on the data, even though we're looking for some upside. You know, I thought we'd see 132.05 and that would have been a great day. And, you know, wasn't looking for much. A jobless claims number that was a lot weaker than expected, along with weaker than expected CPI, weaker than expected housing starts, weaker than expected Philly Fed, and a bond market that rallied a point and then didn't pull back until Fed Governor Williams just gave us a little gift of a pullback here at, what, 2:20 in the afternoon after the pit closed. Now we're looking for a little three-wave kind of down trade into the overnight session. I don't think the market's going to pull back too much here. The Asian session, we've seen buyers lately. The London session, if the market's positive, they'll be buying. If the market's negative, they'll be selling. They're just, you know, lemmings. So if the market's positive, they'll be buying tomorrow, and I think they'll be buying anyway because I think those hedge fund dudes got short pretty heavily the last couple days. And it's time to, you know, stick it to them again here. So I'm looking for some more upside. Tomorrow is Friday. We only have the Michigan data, and I think the Fed is buying towards the shorter end of the curve quite a bit. I want to say 5 years without kind of looking at the data right now. But they're buying like 5-7 years, I think, tomorrow. So that'll help. And Saturday, Chairman Bernanke is giving a speech. It's at a college opening. I think it's some kind of a seminar. Can't find the topic yet. Keep looking. Hopefully I can let you know about that tomorrow. But either way, we want to be cautious, obviously. Fed Governor Williams just said the Fed could start tapering by the end of summer. Yeah, right. You're the same guys that, never mind, that have blown every call you've tried to make over the last 30 years that I've been in the markets, basically. Moving on. 10 years, bonds, both trading up near some important resistance points here, 132.16 plus in the 10-year, and right around this 145.27 level in the bonds. We're trading 145.10-11 right now. I'd like to see a dip back down towards 145 even. I'd try to buy that tomorrow morning. Going to be a little preoccupied tonight. It's our wedding anniversary today, so I don't think I'll be looking at the markets too early this evening until tomorrow morning. Try to buy a dip. I think we'll see some further short covering and some further buying into the weekend. I'm not looking for a massive move, but I think we could see some follow-through buying. We're trying to bounce already. Let's see, what do we trade down to? 10-year traded down to 11. And the bonds traded down to 06. So we could see a little bit more. Like I said, you want to see an A wave down, which is what we're doing now. A little B wave bounce, and then another little sell-off to buy. That little C wave down is my favorite spot to buy. Hopefully we'll get it tomorrow morning. Keep my fingers crossed. What else? Upside levels. Guys, I hate sounding bullish on this stuff. Everything that, you know, our country is doing and everything that our Fed is doing tells me at some point these bonds are no good. We're not there yet. I think we saw a three-wave sell-off after a big, you know, rally from, you know, the 10-year rally from what, 130 even up to 133.25. We have a three-wave pullback down to 131 and some change. I think it's time to go back and test some highs, actually. I would not be surprised to see us testing that 133.25 level sometime next week. Stocks are getting hit pretty hard here. It's been an epic rally in equity land. People got way too negative on bonds and notes and way too bulled up on equities. It's time for a little reality check. Yeah, it's time for a little reality check. My friend Matt over there made the epic call today on the S&Ps. We're going to timestamp that one. We'll see how long this lasts, Matt. And remind me when you're covering, okay? But guys, thanks. Have a great night. Happy anniversary, Carolyn. I'll see you in a few hours.